and welcome to Friday We Feast. Today, I'm excited because I know this will be good. We are going to make backpacking fajitas. You just need a few things. Walmart sells these grilled and ready pre-cooked chicken, so all you gotta do is warm it up. They sell this Pace ready meals. This is a cheesy chicken quesadilla mix. It's got rice, chicken, beans, and cheese sauce. So basically everything you need is in there. I like a little extra cheese. If you get hard cheeses, they will withstand warmer temperatures, and you can backpack with these. So these are good to take with you. They can last a few days out in the warmth. And some sort of taco seasoning or fajita mix. This isn't absolutely necessary, but it adds a little bang to your fajitas. And then of course the grande fajitas and a green pepper. So once you have all that, you should be good to go. Because this is just warming everything basically up, we want to start with our green pepper and get it sliced up first. So we'll do that real quick. I'm just going to cut up about half of it because I'm not a super big fan of green peppers. You can adjust it to your liking. Cut this in half. So now we need to warm everything up. So we'll get our flame started here. Get our pan on there. It's a little breezy today, so you'll have to excuse me. We got our chicken put in there. Throw our green peppers in. Once we get our seasoning mix, probably about half the bag. Get everything mixed up good. It's kind of burning a little bit. Just take it off the heat. Add our ready stuff. It's kind of messy. That on there. Okay, re-add it to the heat. You can hear it starting to sizzle a little bit. This will probably feed about maybe 3 or 4 people. Depending on how hungry they are, I guess. Just want to keep stirring so we don't burn anything. Starting to smell really good. It smells incredible. I wish you guys could smell it. I think that's probably warm enough. So now we'll take her off the heat and set her here. Shut off our gas. Now we just add it to our tortilla. just like that. Then we'll open up our cheese. I like to just take a little bit, take my knife and just put some little slivers on there. It's pretty strong cheese here. This is Wyke Farms aged matured cheddar, sharp cheddar. So a little bit goes a long way. So then we'll wrap it up just like they do at the restaurant. And there we go. There is your first tortilla. So now we feast. That's really good. After a long day of hiking, it's got a lot of carbs in it with the wrap and the rice, so it'll build you up after a long day of hiking. It's quick. It's really good. That cheese adds a little kick to it. So yeah, we just hit 100 subscribers. Thank you everyone who subscribed. Anybody who's watched. We're getting tons of views. I really love this. Next week we'll do a new backpacking meal. Probably one of the dehydrated meals. I picked up a few at REI the other day. We'll try some of those out, and subscribe, because very soon we are going to do a giveaway. Thank you for everyone to 100 subscribers. We really appreciate it. Couldn't do this without you guys. Thank you very much, and enjoy your day.